Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. We are learning unit 10. Its title is The Goose That Laid Golden Eggs. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to complete reading and comprehension of this unit. And before this, we have learned in listening and speaking section how to express our needs. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And better, when we have learned how to speak, how to express, that we can apply everywhere. That's why today we are going to learn how to respond orally in yes or no and their likes and dislikes about the story and characters. Read aloud this same story or fairy tale by themselves and identify names and characters. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Hud, verse 115, and be patient, for indeed Allah does not allow to be lost the reward of those who do good. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us? Be patient. And what does it mean? We should not be in hurry. We should wait with patience. And if there is any problem, we should be patient. This is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying. And what will be the benefit? Allah is saying you will be rewarded. Your reward will not be lost. So you will be rewarded. That's why, beta, in every situation, we should show patience. And this is what the lesson we are going to learn from this story, which we are reading already. So first you tell me, what did you predict about the story? Yesterday I gave you this homework. So pause the video, tell to your teacher what do you predict about this story, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope every one of you have shared what do you predict about this story. So let's see how this story is. So we stop reading over here. All of you open your book from this point. I'm going to start reading. Listen carefully because after me, you have to read it. We need to hurry and get all the golden eggs. So who is saying this? The old man and his wife, they thought their goose is made up of gold and they should get it quickly, right? We cannot wait for one egg daily. Let us cut it and open it. Then we shall have more money. They killed the goose. How sad. They killed the goose and cut it open. Alas, they found that it was just like any other goose. They found no gold inside. They did not get any more money. In the end, they had nothing. So what do we learn from it? What is the moral? An impatient person is always at a loss. You see, they were impatient. If they would have not cut the goose might have given golden egg for a long time. Right? So beta, this is what we learned from this story. And remember, we started with a Quran verse which told us to be patient, right? So this is what we learned. If we are patient, we'll get many benefits. And if we are not, we are on loss. Okay? So now you tell, what did you learn from this story? Okay? You will pause the video, answer this pause reading question, and then read the text again. And read text very carefully, because when you will come back, I have a lot of questions to ask. Okay, so pause the video, complete this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Are you ready for questions? All right. Here are the questions, my dear fellow teachers, because we are going to check our children orally to answer in yes or no. So I made a list of questions. You may follow the same, or you can make your own list of questions, but make sure every child should understand to answer about this story in yes or no. Okay, so you may follow the same structure. And here, before you started, from my students, I want to ask a question. How many characters are there in the story? So this is a new thing for my children. Beta, what is character? Whoever comes in story is a character. Okay, so we consider whoever has been discussed or whoever is in the story is a character. Okay, so now you will tell the answer. Okay, teachers, kindly pause the video, take the answer of these questions from every child, make every child to participate, and make sure every child knows how to answer these questions. Pause the video, complete this exercise, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, all of you answered the questions. Good job, wonderful. Now you will write the list and leave out the naming words which do not relate to this list. Okay, this is your homework. You will read the list carefully and find out which does not belong to this category. And here is once again, my dear fellow teachers, these worksheets, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, yesterday I gave you the story to read. Today you will answer these questions from this story. Okay, and you will complete this part of this worksheet. So what we have learned today, we read aloud the same story or fairy tale by ourselves, and we respond orally in yes or no, and their likes and dislikes about the story and characters, and we identify names and characters in this story. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.